Hello all, welcome back to Foodie Zest. Today let's make omelette curry. Let's see the ingredients list. We need 2 eggs, 400 ml of coconut milk, 1 medium-sized onion, 1 small-sized tomato, 3 to 5 green chilies, a sprig of curry leaves, an inch-sized ginger, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, salt as needed, and 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. This curry is a mild one. If you want to spice it up a little bit, you can add more of the green chilies. And if you like the taste of pepper, you can even add some pepper powder. Now let's begin with cutting the veggies. Here I have cut the tomatoes into thin slices and finely chopped the onions, green chilies and the ginger. Once we have chopped the veggies, let's start making the omelette. Take a bowl and crack the 2 eggs into it. Add around 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, some salt needed for the omelette, then some chopped green chilies, and some chopped onions. Beat it well until it becomes fluffy. If you want, you can add some pepper powder to the omelette at this time. Now it's done. So let's heat a pan for making the omelette. Add around a tablespoon of oil to the pan and put the flame on medium. Once the oil is hot enough, let's pour the egg mixture into it. After 2 to 3 seconds, let's cover and cook it. When one side is done, let's just flip the omelette. Lower the flame. And once again, let's cover and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once the omelette is done, let's take it out into a plate. Just put the plate on the pan and flip it. And our omelette is ready here. Now let's start making the gravy. Heat a pan. Add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Put the flame on medium, and once the oil is hot, let's add the chopped ginger, saute it for 2 to 3 seconds. Then let's add the green chilies and the curry leaves. Once it's sauteed well, let's add the chopped onions, add some salt, stir it well. And now let's add the turmeric powder. Add around 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix it well. Now let's cover and cook the onion mixture until it becomes soft. Meanwhile, let's cut our omelette into small pieces. You can cut them into desired shapes. And here our onion mixture is also sauteed well. Now let's add the remaining turmeric powder and give it a stir. And now it's time to add the coconut milk. Combine everything well. Let's add some salt needed for the gravy. Stir it well. Let's cover and cook this for about 6 to 7 minutes. Keep stirring occasionally, else the coconut milk might curdle. So now after 7 minutes, you can see small bubbles. So now it's time to add the omelette pieces. Add the pieces gently into the gravy, else they might scramble. Put the flame on medium to low and cover and cook it for about 2 minutes so that the pieces will be soaked in the gravy. After 2 minutes, let's remove the lid and add the garam masala. It's about 1 teaspoon. Mix it well. And let's also add the sliced tomatoes. Cover again and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now after 3 minutes, our curry is perfectly done. Switch off the flame and let's transfer it into a serving bowl. Here is our creamy omelette curry. You can serve it with plain rice, string hoppers, or any kind of breads. Share this recipe with your family and friends and try it yourself and comment the feedbacks. Let's meet again with a new recipe. Till then, like, share and subscribe to Foodie Zest. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get notifications each time I upload a video.